Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Me and my gecko are your host today, but he is a bit shy. So let's go and see what's happening in tech world today. First news is about sound therapy. So Apple Music introduces sound therapy songs for focusing, relaxing, and sleeping. I have some videos about effects of sounds on your brain. So Apple will add some sounds, not music, for relaxing or sleeping, for focusing, which you can listen to them during your works or when you want to sleep or when you want to focus on something. With that sound, your brain can focus or sleep or relax. So it's good news that we will have this kind of things, because nowadays too many of people have this problem. They cannot focus, they cannot sleep at night. Maybe this feature or function can help you with these sounds. You can have better quality of sleep or focusing. Next news is about Spotify AI DJ. I really loved it. If you love music, look like me, this news is very good for you guys, because after that you can speak with your DJ on Spotify and you can order maybe him or her to make fantastic music with some music that you like. Maybe you can, for example, ask about name of music, or just say that I want sad music or very happy music or music for dance or for party or something like that. And this DJ, AI DJ, will make fantastic music for you. I'm really excited about it. It's really good news. So, Sam Altman goal for ChatGPT to remember your whole life is both exciting and disturbing. So, do you remember I told you about AGI? AGI was artificial general intelligence, which is very important for OpenAI and its new project, which is different with AI. This project, which name is AGI, and you can also search yourself, and I will also record video about it. It's about new generation of AI assistants, but a bit different. They can remember everything about you. They can recognize you, and when you speak with it, it can give you some offers, understand everything about you, not just about, for example, this chat or that chat. Every time you go to speak, it can analyze your character, your data, and it can help you with good advices, look like a good friend with good information. So it is a AGI. And Sam is working on this for ChatGPT. It will maybe they will change the project, not ChatGPT. Maybe they will replace with normal ChatGPT. And it's really maybe good news, because at the moment you have some, for example, chats. Some of them, for example, ChatGPT forget you, or you should say that please save this information. But in that case, you don't need about any chats. Anything will be saved at the same time, and every time you just say that I want information about that topic or that subject, and you don't need to open chat or find your previous chat or something like that. Everything is ready for you. So it's going to that way, and it's really interesting. Next news is about Roblox. So Roblox is one program which people can buy and sell something that is not real for games. But now they are adding real things for buying and selling, look like online shopping for example, or online shops. So in Roblox, after that, you can also sell or buy real t-shirts or real hats or anything that you have or you want to have. You can buy it from Roblox. So it will be maybe second-hand programs or maybe new brands. We should wait for new news about what will happen in future about Roblox. So Trump tells Apple CEO to stop expanding iPhone production in India. So after new tariffs that, thanks God that they reduced it, but it was a chance for Apple, that tariffs, to expand and shift everything to India, and also more than normal to India. And USA government told them don't do it because you should also have some workers and offices inside USA. You cannot, because of one excuse, shift everything from also USA and China to anything to India. They would doing something like that, but at the moment USA said no, you cannot also take everything from USA to India. Maybe you can shift something from China to India, but not everything from also USA. So they are smart. They wanted to use of that situation to also send from USA to send everything and shift everything from USA to India, but they stopped it. So Harvey, do you remember we spoke about Harvey in previous video? That is one AI based program to helping lawyers for legal information, legal helps, legal letters, and they need $250 million to have $5 billion value. So they are looking for $250 million to expand their general value. And I think it is very good money for this AI based company. $5 billion is, I think, very good for new businesses, AI based businesses, and it's interesting. So Microsoft is choosing chatbots over podcasts. So as I understood, Microsoft CEO said that we don't need any more podcasts and listen to them because we can do everything with chatbots, and we can listen to, for example, shortest news from chatbots. I don't think so, because yes, you can ask of chatbots about news or anything, but I don't know. I think that you also need some feeling to know some people, give you some information, not just listen to news. But if you want to just listen to news, yes, you can use our chatbots more than podcasts. But podcast is not just for news or information. Podcasts are for... Wait, guys. He is escaping. No. Come here. Come here. Sorry. Oh my God. Not just for information, also for some news and for... Okay. For... I think it's boring for him. For just knowing people or entertainment, not just podcasts for news. So I think I'm not agree with him, but it's his opinion. Next news is about Coinbase. Coinbase gets hacked. So I'm not very active about crypto, but if you work with this application, you should be able to worry, because it gets hacked and maybe some attacks to it. So you should search a bit more about this application. It is not my field, so I don't have too and information about it, you can also search if you want. OpenAI launches Codex, an AI coding agent in ChatGPT. So again, good news for programmers. ChatGPT will help you about your codes, about your clean codes, how you want to make your codes, and which kind of code do you need, or any language. ChatGPT with new project name is Codex. It can help you to code and in any language in easy way, smart way, shortest and cleanest way. You can use of ChatGPT. You could also, but no, it's focused. In new project, it's focused. So you can use of ChatGPT. So again, bad news. Programmers board Brown's Microsoft's layoffs. So up to 30%. So layoffs are getting more and more because of AI. I don't know, what can I say? I don't like policy of Microsoft, but also they should think about their benefits. So these layoffs are not good. Look, it is 2,000 person layoff in its home states of Washington. It's too much, guys. So bad news. I hope that they can find new jobs with AI, not just layoff for. You know why? Because Microsoft programmers are really smart, are really good programmers, and Microsoft just because of benefits lay them off, and it will have bad effect generally on programmers' jobs to finding new jobs. So no, I think no, it's not good. And last news. Lawmakers have concern about Apple Alibaba deal. So it was last month that I spoke about their deal. Alibaba and Apple are working to have one AI-based program which is made by Alibaba. Apple will use of that for China. You know why? Because China's internet is different. It is not worldwide internet. So Apple is finding solution for AI to help them, and they could have cooperation with Alibaba. Alibaba will make one AI assistant program, and also they can work with DeepSeek, but I don't know why they don't think about it. But also this is good deal for them, but governments and lawmakers are a bit worried about it, because this connection between China and USA, they are worried about privacy, and it's make them worry about privacy and data, and for example robbing data or something like that. But we don't know who will be winner. Apple will do it or government will cancel it. But generally, I like this kind of corporations. It's good for technology and businesses. It was last news for today. I hope very good day, good vibes for you, good friends, and big thanks of my friend who didn't leave me. And that's all. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.